Hi everyone, it's Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this super cute, super quick and easy photo frame card. This video, if you can see, is literally like 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So that means this card only took me like 8 minutes to put together. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. First, I'm just putting down the mat that I want on the back of my card, and then that pink floral paper you see there is the paper I'm going to be using for the photo frame. I'm going to be making a little template like I have there for printable download, however you want to say it, that I will have in my shop once it launches in January 2022. I think we've decided on the 25th, by the way, but make sure you head to my blog and sign up for the email so that you don't miss when we launch. And also, I'll be switching over websites once I launch my new shop, so you'll definitely want to keep in touch with me for that. And by the way, this template will be free. It'll just be in my shop as a free digital download. I'm going to make the template so that it is resizable, or maybe I'll just add like 2 different sizes, because the one that I use most common is the wallet size photo, which is 2.5 by 3.5, and that fits perfectly on a 4.25 by 5.5 card, which is the size I feel like most handmade card makers are used to making, but I know some people like a little bit bigger, or maybe all you have are 4x6 photos, so I'll definitely make a frame that's 4x6 so that you can put it on a 5x7 card. And you definitely don't need a paper trimmer to do this. It's just a lot easier with one, but if you don't have a paper trimmer, you could use an X-Acto knife and a ruler, or just simply use your scissors. And also, if you're not so much of a crafty girl, but you just like watching these videos and you really want a card like this, I will be selling these as printables as well over in my shop in January, and then you can just buy the file and print as many cards as you like with it to be able to send out to your friends and family. Of course, when that time comes, I will do a tutorial on how to use everything. But yeah, this is basically it. I am just going to stick down my frame, and then the embellishments I went really simple on. I used this sticker that says one of a kind. I backed it on some blue paper, and then I just used a really simple white crepe paper circle to kind of back that. And I really like how it came out. I really like the simplicity, because I think the picture that you choose to put inside the frame should really be the focus of the card anyways. So that's the completed card, and I am going to go ahead and sign off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to get crafty, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!